Good morning everyone. This is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about construction of a triangle when two angles are given and one side between these two angles is also given. This is the condition of ASA. ASA means angle side angle. One side is located between the two angles. Here this is the condition. Here I have taken one example. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to construct a triangle when the two angles are given and one side between them is also given. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of all the uploaded videos from this channel. Without wasting any further time, let's go ahead. Here this is the question. Question is construct a triangle ABC. Here the name of the triangle is just ABC. We are going to construct a triangle ABC in which the side AB is just 5 centimeter and an angle at the point A is 60 degree and similarly angle at the point B is 30 degree. The very first step while doing such type of the construction is making or constructing the side. Here the side is given here AB. Let's draw the side AB which is 5 centimeter first. Let's construct the side AB. We need the ruler. Let me take the ruler here. Okay, this is the ruler. And it is just how much? This is 5 centimeter long. Okay, let me draw the line of the 5 centimeter. Okay, this is just the 5 centimeter length line segment. Okay, let me mark the end points also. Okay, and this is the point, this is the point, and let's say this is the A and this is the point, end point, this point B. Okay, let me remove this, scale here. Let me put here and let's name this first point as a and the next point is the B, and it is here how much? AB is just 5, it is centimeter. Okay, here in the very first step we just construct the given line, given side. Here the side is just AB which is 5 centimeter long. Okay, and the next step is making an angle. Here at the point A, here is an 60 degree angle. So let's construct a 60 degree angle at the point A. Let me use the compass here. I'm going to make an angle of an angle by using the compass here. Okay, let me extend the compass. We have to take the more than half, little bit more than the half of the line segment. Okay, and let's rotate it. Okay, this is an arc, and with the same arc we have to use the same adjustment. With the same arc, just the same arc, we cut from this point. This is the point of 0. Let me rotate the compass once again. Okay, let's cut this arc. Okay, here an intersection point is here obtained. Let me mark the point of the intersection, this point, and let's join these 2 points, this point and point A. Okay, let me remove this compass. Okay, let me drag this compass. Okay, let's join these 2 points A and this point, and there will be an angle of the 60 degree at the point A. Let me join, and while joining you can use the scale for the straight line. If you use the scale, then the line will be very straight. Okay, let me rotate this scale. Okay, let's join these 2 points. Let's join these 2 points. Okay, here we have just joined these 2 points, and an angle of the 60 degrees constructed here. This angle is just 60-degree angle. Okay, this is 60-degree, and the next angle is here. The second angle at the point B is here 30-degree. Here we have constructed an angle of the 60-degree at the point A. Let's construct an angle of the 30-degree at the point B. Here I am taking this compass while constructing the angle. Okay, let me select the compass here and let's put it to this point B, and from this point B I am going to construct an angle of the 30-degree at the point B. Okay, and let me rotate the compass here first. Okay, sorry, this is mistakenly here I have made. Okay, this is, and rotate the compass very properly. Okay, let me rotate this 1 second. Okay, just I am going to make an angle of the 30-degree at the point B. Okay, and here these 2 points, this is the point of the 0-degree. Okay, this is the point of the 0-degree. Okay, and the 30-degree is constructed. It is the 30-degree angle is located exactly between the 0 and 60-degree. So first of all, let's make an angle of the 60-degree here, and then we will bisect the 60-degree to get 30-degree. Okay, let me rotate this compass. Okay, let's cut it. This is the point of the 60-degree. Let me mark the point. This is the point of the 60-degree, and this is the point of the 0-degree. And between 0 and 60-degree, there is 30-degree angle. Okay, let me bisect this 60-degree angle. Okay, and while bisecting, we have to use the same arc. Okay, let me extend this compass. We can extend here. Let me extend. Okay, and let me drag it here. Let me draw an arc. Okay, here in the space. Okay, and let's cut this arc, the same arc from this point of the 60-degree. This is the point of the 60-degree. This is the point of the 0-degree, and here I have made this arc from this point of the 0-degree, and let's cut the same arc from the point of the 60-degree, and that will be the bisection of the 60-degree. Okay, from the point of the 60-degree, let's bisect it. Okay, let's bisect it. Let me bisect it. Okay, this is the bisection. This is just the bisections. Okay, from this 60-degree and this 0-degree, we have got here this point. Let me mark the point here. Okay, this point is just the point of the 30-degree. It is just the bisection of the 60-degree. 60-degree is done. Just it lies between the 0 and bisection the 30-degree. Simply 30-degree lies between 0 and 60-degree. So we have to bisect the 60-degree to get the 30-degree. Let's join this point to the point B. Let me use the line segment. You can use the ruler to join these lines. Okay, just joining these 2 points, and here these are the 2 sides. These are the 2 sides, and intersection of these 2 sides. Let me mark the intersection point, and this intersection point will be the point. To identify the next point C, this intersection point on these 2 lines, let me mark it. This point, this intersection point. Okay, this point, intersection point, is just the point. This is just the point C. Let me name it. It is the point C. Okay, let me write here. This is just the point C. Let me use the different color. Let me use different color here to write. This is just the point C. This is the point C. And here we finally obtained, we constructed a triangle ABC here. This is the case of, this is the condition of two angles, and the one side is given. The side is located between these two angles. Here we finally obtained a triangle. This is A, B, C, and the side A is here just okay, the angle at the point A is just 60 degree, and the angle at the point B is just 30 degree. And this is the location of the point C, which is identified just finding the intersection point of these two lines. Intersection point is here, the point C, and we here finally we obtain the triangle ABC. This is the whole process of drawing of constructing a triangle in these situations. In our next video, we will discuss more about the construction of the triangle in the different situations. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you have any feedback for this video, then you can leave the comment on the comment box. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.